Hi, I'm Aaron and I'm in the kitchen, and today I am making deviled eggs. Let's jump right into it. So, I've already gone ahead and boiled my deviled eggs, but what I'm going to do right now is cook these bacon bits here, just to have them preparing in the background while I am doing the process with the eggs. So this is the bacon. This is what it's looking like. If you are looking for bacon exactly like this, then go to your charcuterie section. But simply enough, it's just thick cut bacon that is chopped up, and I'm going to sear it really quickly in the background. Hold on, you see. Here we go. Okay, so when I'm boiling eggs, I do the 5-5-5 rule. 5 minutes cooking time, 5 minutes let it sit, then 5 minutes to cold water. And for me, the eggs turn out perfectly every single time. Unless I crack them like I just did. Also, another hack is to deshell your eggs in water. It helps them come off, they just release. I'm doing it right here, right now, even though I just told you to deshell in water. This is my test egg that I messed up, but it's alright because I have more eggs than what I need. And I can probably still salvage this one. New eggs are the ones that peel the worst, by the way. So if you have some old eggs, you peel those. Those are the best eggs to peel. I bought these eggs today, so this will be a little bit struggle bussy. Okay, let's see. Can I salvage this egg? So over here in this bowl, I have a fine mesh strainer. I won't be able to salvage this egg, but I have a fine mesh strainer, and I'm going to strain my egg in here. So when I pipe my mixture into the eggs for the finish, it'll pipe really smooth. Won't be, well, actually it's kind of fine, ain't it, y'all? That's fine. I'm gonna crack the rest of these eggs in water. I'm just gonna put water in my bowl. Someone in the comments, if you know why the water thing works, can you explain why the water thing works? I just know it works, but I don't know why. When my grandma made deviled eggs, she always made double what she needed because she knew I would sit there in the kitchen and eat them. Okay, for now I can set my eggs to the side. And in our bowl, I'm just gonna press through our egg so we can have a smooth mixture. So to help me strain it through, I'm adding sweet and spicy pickle juice through. It was gonna be in the recipe anyway, but I'm just adding it now to help me push it through. I don't know if you have to like egg in order to like this dish. It is a very eggy dish, but at the same time, I don't think it tastes like egg. Well, I don't know. I could be reaching because I want the cameraman to eat it, and the cameraman does not like eggs. This extra step does take some time, but not too much time. All right. And we get off the rest of our egg snow, or our egg dandruff, whichever one you want to think of it as. All right. Gonna add another tablespoon of this sweet and spicy pickle juice. Going in with 2 tablespoons of our hot dog stand mustard, Viennese specialty. 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise. All right. Now, of course, we're going in with some seasonings here. Going in with 1 cube of chicken bouillon in. Crumbling that up in my fingers. Cannot leave a big piece in this. So crumble it up real good in your fingers. Mix. Slap your mama. 1 tablespoon. Creole, 1 tablespoon. Give it a taste. Ooh, that's good. Whoa. Boom, flavor. Okay, so now I'm gonna pipe this, put it in my deviled eggs, chill them for a second, and then I'll show you guys this whole process. I am gonna do the piping, I think, off camera, just because I'm rushing. Oh, okay, guys, we are back for the taste test, and this is in my face, so I'm gonna move that. We are back for the taste test. Okay, I have to talk about what I did because my cameras were dying, so I had to do this bit off camera. You saw me cooking the bacon, right? I added 3 tablespoons of brown sugar to the bacon after it cooked down. So it's kind of this sweet, salty bacon on top. I garnished with a little bit of parsley, a little bit of cayenne. And now my mouth is watering and I'm ready to get right into it. So this is my childhood, but elevated. Like, oh, way elevated. Way elevated. Woo, God. Grandma, I'm sorry, but I think I beat you on this one. Wow. If you make this, please let me know down in the comments below what you think about it. Oh my God, so much flavor. 10 out of 10, do recommend. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed what you saw. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you all next time. Ciao.